Dr. Scott Kleppe is a pediatric primary care sports medicine physician and medical director of the sports medicine department at Driscoll Children's Hospital. If a child or teen has an injury that affects their sports performance, Dr. Kleppe has the expertise and experience to treat that child's injury.
If they have an injury, the goal is to get them back to whatever they want to do as safely as they can and as quickly as they can too. I want them to be able to play their sport as long as they want to.
Dr. Kleppe was born and raised in Dallas, Texas. He grew up playing many different sports, but in high school he decided to focus on football, wrestling, and lacrosse. His sophomore year he suffered a significant ankle injury that helped him gain perspective on his future.
So the combination of having that significant injury in high school is what led me to ultimately decide to apply to medical school, and I ended up going to the University of North Texas Health Science Center at the Texas College of Osteopathic Medicine.
It's important to Dr. Kleppe that these young athletes succeed, not only in the sports they're playing and competing in, but in life as well. Dr. Kleppe would like to offer some advice.
Find what you love to do. There's a lot of outside influences these days. There's a lot of things that you can see on the internet or on your phones that can kind of distract you from your goals and what your purpose in life is. So find what you like, stick to your guns, and chase your dream.